Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at the hottest trendy hairstyle ideas. Here we have this gorgeous ginger colored messy bob. Next up we have a major hair transformation. The stylist is going to be cutting the hair just a tad bit shorter and dyeing the hair this beautiful copper red hair color. Next up, we see this transformation into this beautiful angle lob haircut. And if you guys feel inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a like and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Loving this beautiful bob haircut, as well as this one, definitely a classic bob cut. Next up, we see another bob haircut transformation, and this one features bangs. And then we see this gorgeous pixie undercut. Very chic and stylish modern pixie. And then we see another long, too short hair transformation. Absolutely beautiful bob, love the color with that one as well. And then we see yet another pixie undercut. Gorgeous, love this messy chic texture that the stylist created, and she also has beautiful bangs in the front. So if you want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.